I have a number one, but I have an eye on these two glitters, and that set number one's right here is super cute. Got two colors. It looks like it matchings really well with my foil.
Oh, this one's pretty. I like this one. That one.
Ooh, look at that to have a butterfly though.
Okay, so use glitter. Okay, all right. Okay, see what you're doing over there. I like this one. So cute.
And then you can do it's like how and tie the nails with this. I mean, not and tie the nails. It's on the kitty goes down to the ombre. So instead of you see me doing an ombre with the colors, I'm using ombre with glitter now. This is fun though. It's really like a spring transitioning to the summer. And then tap really gentle and fade it out.
Really gentle.
Oh, hold on, where I'm at. I'm right here. that is really a cool. Sometimes for all of you who doing live, do not panicking.
That's so cute.
Even those I'm panicking all the time. Every time before I going live,
That is gorgeous. Oh, I wouldn't have been able to do that without you.
Huh? Which one?
This one, this glitter.
You have a lot of beautiful glitters, Brazil. I see your collection. Your collection is massive. And it's so gorgeous. All right, so if you're happy with this, look at that, how cool and thin it is. And then you can cap it with the crystal clear.
Okay. Cap it with crystal clear.
Oh, this one is so adorable. You can leave it alone as it is, or you can put crystal on. I don't know if I should put crystal on. But then we always say it, and then we always put crystal on. Right, Brazil? Like that. Oh.
Especially us, yes.
Maybe like, oh, maybe we'll leave it alone. So give it just a second and let it rest. To the nails down. So when you do liquid and powders, make sure you like treat it like a baby. You don't want to like get right in and stir it up or pat it. It's really like fast because it just mentally we think, oh my gosh, you're gonna set dry, it's gonna dry, and then you start mess a lot with that, you know, and then it's gonna flatten the nail. So you are going to like give it rest for just a second, and then you're guiding the powders and tear the nails down. So there are 1,000 of different techniques to doing a liquid and powders ombre. I watch great techniques from Brazil's as well, Dom also, and all our BA team. So you know, like if it is work, a good tip and tricks applies it might help. You know, I also learned so much from all of you as well. Besides we learn it from a school, continuing education is absolutely a bonus, you know. I think it's not a bonus. It's nowadays it's like a must nowadays.
It's a necessity.
Yes, it's not. So, and just trim off the excess powders using a belly of your bristle, and pick up another piece. Can you move it up a little bit?
Yes.
I'm right here. I try to move right in the centers. Let me know, Facebook and Instagram.
So that one is done. Yes, never stop learning. Absolutely, Jasmine.
It's, you know, it's the minute you think you stop learning, it's gonna put us really behind, and then guess what happened? We're going to see is so much is going on out there, we couldn't catch up, and we get frustrated, and then you are like start getting hated what you're doing, because if you have a client that come in and ask, Brazil, can you do this design? I said, no, I do not have that foil. I can do something really close, but not even that look. Said, and then you're doing it so many times, the clients keep asking you, like, you keep saying no. You might lose a client though, you know? So I'll let it set.
Yeah.
It's good. I'll let it set, and then we'll buff and file it later.